Hey Cody, isn't SEMA coming up soon?
Yeah, it's actually less than 2 weeks away.
Oh, should we get our video prep done? Have you ever wanted to experience SEMA? Titan Truck is going to let you in on the SEMA experience. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Titan Truck Equipment. We'll be uploading videos daily featuring the latest truck accessories, equipment, and cool cars, trucks, and other stuff. Get the latest from SEMA every day. It's the next best thing to being there. We'll see you there. It's a crooked smile.